Active ETFs are designed to do something very specific: beat the market. That's what we mean when we say they aim to outperform. Instead of simply tracking an index like the FTSE 100 or the S&P 500, they try to generate a better return for the amount of risk that they're taking, either by picking better stocks, reducing risk, or both. So how do they try to do it? The answer depends on the asset manager because not all active approaches are the same. Some active ETFs use a systematic strategy, applying rules and models to select stocks based on factors like momentum, volatility, or quality. Others follow a bottom-up approach, where analysts look closely at individual companies, analysing everything from earnings reports and valuation metrics to macroeconomic themes or sector trends, to identify those they believe are undervalued or have strong growth potential. Active ETFs might focus on specific geographies like the US or Europe or emerging markets, or on cross-market themes such as technology, healthcare, or sustainable energy. So let's take an example. One approach might focus on a specific region, like the UK, and use a fundamental, bottom-up stock selection process. The goal would be to build a portfolio that closely references a benchmark index, but with adjustments, overweighting companies with strong potential to outperform and underweighting those considered overvalued. This can help fine-tune the index rather than overhaul it completely. Importantly, these strategies are also built with risk control in mind. Portfolios are typically diversified across sectors, often containing hundreds or thousands of individual stocks. So while active ETFs aim to outperform, they do so in a measured, disciplined way that's guided by research. Let's be clear though, not every active ETF will outperform. And when they do, it's not always consistent. And that's why fees matter too. The higher the cost, the more a fund needs to return to break even. So for many investors, active ETFs provide a way to seek better than market returns while still getting the benefits of ETF investing, like liquidity, diversification, and transparency.